Hey, I'm Michelle O'Neill, and I want to share with you in this video our 90-day online business breakthrough that we will be launching. And I want to share with you what it's going to help you achieve to help you reach your online goals. So here's our 90-day online business breakthrough. And inside of that, you are going to learn over the course of 90 days, you will learn everything you need to start your own online business. You are going to learn how to promote any product or service, how to find your perfect customer, how to set up a sales funnel and email automations, because that system will be out there working for you 24/7. That is how you're going to learn our 2-hour-a-day work week, because your automations are always out there working for you. And you're going to learn how to create content on social media that attracts your ideal customers. Now, no, they don't have to be videos where you talk in. We will show you how to do picture posts and how to actually do faceless videos to build your online business, to earn daily pay, to build your income. And the best part, you will be able to do all of this in just a few hours a day. So by the end of the 90 days, you'll have the skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. And you'll be able to generate extra income for your family, or maybe even replace your income. And you'll have more time to do the things that you love. Now, I just want to kind of share with you what I mean by daily pay. This is an example of what my week last week was. As you can see, there was not a day that went by that I didn't have multiple new customers buy from me. And you guys, I didn't have to talk to one of them on the phone. It was all fully automated through my online 6-figure sales funnel. And that is a funnel that I'm going to give you for free. After you purchase your blueprint, you actually get immediate access to our community. And that is where you will find this free, proven to work sales funnel so you can learn how to have days just like this. But no, it's not only me inside the community that is making money. Look at Justin here. He made 900 in 9 hours because he's also talking about our 90-day breakthrough with people. And people are ready. They're ready for a change. They're ready to stop searching and being overwhelmed. They're ready to take action and be able to design their life on their terms. Look at this. Tony, he got another $600 sale while he was at his daughter's graduation. And again, Justin, shout out one of his new customers that made a $300 day. Here's Dean, you guys. He did $1,200 in less than a week, and just on Good Friday, he made $3,000. And just to update you, he's over $5,000 for his first month. And again, there's Justin with another $450 sale. We have Dee here. I love this. I just received my first $600 commission while watching TV. And we have Amy here, and she had 2 new customers come in because she had one TikTok video get several thousands of views. And we are going to show you how do you attract customers using your content so you can have a video get thousands of views and attract customers to you. Here's Tony again, 5 new leads, and he got his first sell. And here's just a few people talking about what they're most excited about with the 90-day breakthrough, because you guys, we've literally been doing a spring into action. And I love this with Michelle. She goes, I am super excited about the 90-day breakthrough. Before purchasing my blueprint, I was extremely nervous due to the fact I've never had an online business, nor am I tech savvy. Pushing myself to try something new and different was overwhelming, but now I'm loving implementing what I'm learning and also share with others that life doesn't have to be a struggle. Good job, Michelle. I love that. This is the best decision I've ever made. Aw. And then you have Casey here. She's like, I'm so excited about the 90-day breakthrough, and I can't wait to see what the Miracle March has in store, or it's actually Miracle May. That's something I would say, Casey. Spring into action was amazing and very informative. Thank you, Michelle, and the fellow members, for all the support and the information. You guys are going to be part of an amazing community. So I want to kind of share this with you. Don't let these numbers overwhelm you, because this is what you're going to learn. But inside of the 90-day breakthrough, my goal is to show you how in May you can make $3,600. May is going to be getting the entrepreneur mindset, getting your message right so you can attract people to you, and creating momentum. In June, $6,000 and July $9,000. So my goal is $18,600 that I would love for you to make. Yes, some are going to make more, some are going to make less. But these are very tangible numbers. So what's the difference of the ones that do make more and the ones that do make less? A lot. It depends on your guys' worth ethic and how consistent you can be. Because I'm sharing with you a 2-hour workday, but some of you might have a really, really busy schedule and you can only do maybe 30 minutes a day or an hour a day. But isn't it worth taking the time to learn these skills so you, my friends, can learn how to have days like this? So the goal is by August for you to be making $600 a day. This is the automated system that we're going to walk you through step by step. And just like Michelle says, nope, you don't have to be tech savvy, okay? Actually, the company sets up your website for you. How cool is that? So then that way you literally don't have to worry about being tech savvy, code, or SEO, or any of that. We just learn the skills, learn the steps that you need to learn to make daily pay. Now, if this is something you're interested in being part of, inside your email, right, or in the description in this video here, is going to be where you can purchase your blueprint. That's the first thing to do. Take action, purchase your blueprint. There's 4 different digital products to pick from. You decide is the best one to fit your goals and dreams. If you're looking to make 6 figures, you need to go with the premium or the 6-figure blueprint, right? Again, it's based on your goals and dreams. Then the next step is purchase. You immediately get your welcome email. Make sure you get inside our community, because inside our community is where you'll be able to access the free automated system, but also our 90-day online business breakthrough. So I just want you to hear from a few other people inside the community and how the spring into action we just did, how it helped them and what they're most excited about.
So wow, what the spring into action did for me, outside of what the 4 different sales blueprints did for me, or is doing for me, the spring into action actually gives you each day. Michelle goes in and breaks down 3 different videos that you can put out. Then on top of that, she gives you like a little quote or something else that you can put up on video, or however you want to share. If you want to share it on an advertisement, or if you want to share it some other way, there's so much that you can do to put information out there in front of people that it's amazing.
So I wanted to share with you my experience with the Spring into Action that we are just finishing up for this month of April. I'm loving the daily videos that we're given. They're short 10-minute videos or maybe shorter, but they provide so much value within that short time frame to help with your mindset. Your mindset is so important. And my confidence has grown so much just in the short month of April. So I know that the month of May going forward, it's just going to get even better because of that mindset shift. And also within those videos are 3 different content ideas to help you be able to create content for your social media platforms for your perfect customer. So having those content ideas really helped tremendously this month. So I know that going forward into this next 90 days is going to be even better because April has been just life-changing already.
Hi, my name is Christine, and I discovered the IPS blueprints through TikTok and found them amazing. They are so easy, step by step, teach you everything you need to know and how to market on social media through Craigslist and TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. And they are so easy. And then I also was able to learn how to set up a sales funnel and have an email campaign out there working for me 24/7. So I only have to work 2 or 3 hours a day. And just the other day, I made $1,800. So I think they are awesome. And this is my testimony to tell you that you will love these. And our community is outstanding. And Michelle has so much good stuff in there that teach you everything you need to know. And it has helped me tremendously. And everybody in there is super nice. out there cheering you on and very supportive every day, even on your bad days. They're there cheering you on, and I just love them. And I have learned so much in just a short amount of time. And I would highly recommend anyone to purchase and invest the low investment for these blueprints to make money online.